Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start with a topic that is dipole, then induced dipole interaction, induced dipole interaction. So beta, whenever we are talking about dipole induced dipole interaction, what we are going to do, just see all of you. First of all, beta, meaning of induced means dipole is not there, but we are giving the dipole to the molecules. To explain this one, I am going to explain you this one by the example of CCl4 and an acetone molecule. Okay बेटा, I will tell you acetone का जो फॉर्मूला होता है that is CH3 C double bond O CH3. Is that clear? And student, after that you can see one thing more, that the CCl4 molecule, I will draw structure of CCl4 molecule in front of you. What is going to happening over there in the CCl4 molecule? CCl4 molecule is usually called non-polar molecule. It is usually called non-polar molecule. I think you know very well why it is called non-polar molecule. देखो, it is showing the dipoles, but still it is non-polar because of it is having a symmetrical structure. We have done previously that all the symmetrical structure is always having a non-polar molecule, or always a non-polar molecule. So usually dipole is there, but still it is considered as a non-polar molecule. Now what we are doing, beta, we are keeping it along with this, yes, along with this, that is O negative and C positive, but this is carbonyl group. This is a permanent dipole. What is it? Permanent dipole. What it is having? It is having permanent dipole moment. So what is going to happening over there, beta? When these both molecule will interact with each other, this permanent dipole, okay, will give the polarity to this molecule, to the CCl4 molecule. आप कहोगे सर जी पहले से ही इसके पास तो polarity है. No बेटा, it is usually non-polar molecule, but due to this negative charge, all of you see there, the negative charge of the oxygen, this oxygen will attract the positive charge of the carbon. Okay, due to that, polarity in the CCl4 molecule will increase, or you can say it will become polar, and that polarity is called induced dipole moment. What you will say? Induced dipole moment. Okay, we can show this one by one general example also. That what is that general example? You can see, all of you. Let it be. This is a AB molecule, which is negative and the positive. What is it? Is a polar, or you can say dipole. It is having a dipole moment. Let it be. I am writing BB molecule. This is a non-polar molecule. What will happen there? This dipole will induce the dipole into that. Will induce. ये non-polar है. जब induce करेगा तो there will be a separation of positive and negative charge. तो अब ये this is not non-polar. It becomes induced dipole moment. What do you call it? Yes, you can call it induced dipole movement. Okay, what is the name of this one? That is called induced dipole moment. Is that clear to you to all? All of you getting my point? So please just remember this one. Okay, students? Okay, now next video we are going to study the next one, London